So it's time to upgrade my computer rack. The one that I have right now is not cutting it anymore. It's just this little wire shelf that you're looking at, and it's real ugly. Watch as I upgrade this rack to a brand new rack that I built my own self. Okay, so there you have it. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you like it, go and give this video a thumbs up. But I'm not done yet. I'm going to work on another side of my studio because I'm trying to do this big renovation with my studio, trying to upgrade it to some custom made shelves and rack and stuff like that. Once I'm fully done, I'm going to do a tour on it so you can see the entire studio as it is when I'm making these videos or doing other stuff. Alright, so I want to thank you for taking the time for watching this video. Have a good one, and I'll see you next time.